Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to create a professional LinkedIn profile. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Open the LinkedIn application. Click on your profile picture at the top left. Click on your name to open your profile. To create a professional, start by uploading your profile picture. Choose a clean and simple picture of yourself that will give out the right impression about your personality. Now choose a perfect engaging cover photo that can be viewed across devices with the same quality. You can use Canvas to edit a perfect cover photo. Now click on the pencil icon to edit your about. Scroll down to headline. Make sure you choose the right words for this. You can use a keyword research tool to help you through this process, such as LinkedIn Headline Generator. Tell people about your interests, needs and expectations in the headlines. Now add a captivating bio of yourself including suitable keywords. Let it be simple and captivating, telling people who you are, what you can offer and what you care about. Now you need to add engaging content. Click on Add section. You can see core details you can add, recommend details and an addition details too. Adding all this details makes your profile interesting to people looking to recruit and enhances your chances of finding a job quickly. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.